Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy.
Hey there, Sunshine Squad! Today we're on a quest to unravel the secrets of that elusive, colorful sky art. Yeah, you guessed right! Rainbows, where they come from and how they come to be. No, sorry to burst your bubble, but it is not fairy dust. Get ready to follow us down the rabbit hole. So, we have a number of stellar light shows happening in the great cosmic theater. The sun, the superstar of all light shows, beams down light, heat, and energy to fire up life on Earth. At night, the sky is lit up by thousands of distant stars, and our nightlight, the moon. Funny thing about the moon, though, it's a bit of a copycat. The moon shines because it's snatching torrents of sunlight and reflecting it back at us. Then, we have this thing called refraction. Picture light playing a high-speed game of catch me if you can through a droplet of water. A bit of bending here and there, and voila! You have a path specifically designed for the formation of rainbows. So, next time you see a rainbow, remember it requires 3 things: some saucy sunlight, a disco of raindrops, and you standing between the two. Quiz time, rainbow lovers! Are you ready for the challenge? Does sunlight need to be present for a rainbow to form? A. Yes. B. No. If you're leaning towards option A, yes, then you're spot on. Get this, guys and gals, the sunlight that appears white to us is actually a stylish mixtape of 7 distinct colors. Was your mind blown? Ours sure was when we first discovered it. Let's welcome our dear friend Roy G. Biv to the stage. Every layer of his charismatic personality is a key to understanding the magnificent arc in the sky. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The colors of a rainbow, always in this exact order. A humdinger of a revelation. Rainbows are optical illusions. They can't be touched, and they slyly shift their position as you move. Even their shape holds a sense of wonder. From the ground, they appear as an arch, but raise high enough in the sky, like on an airplane, and they reveal their true form, a full circle. Quiz time. In the order of rainbow colors, which color comes first according to our friend Roy G. Biv? A. Yellow. B. Red. C. Blue. D. Green. Great job. Color champion. Are you thinking of selecting option B, red? Yes, you're right. Okay, Wonder Seekers, this might shock you. Rainbows can occur at night. They just need a bit of moonlight. These shy spectacles are known as moonbows. And what's that? You say you've spotted double rainbows? Double the fun! The second rainbow in this duo plays by its own rules and reverses the order of the colors. Talk about duality. But wait, there's more. The unicorn of rainbows, the upside-down rainbow, makes a rare appearance when sunlight strikes a screen of tiny ice crystals in the sky. Talk about exclusivity. And our genius friend, Sir Isaac Newton, who talked a lot about apples falling from trees, was also the first to scientifically explain how a rainbow forms. Now, it's time to ask you final question. What conditions can cause an upside-down rainbow? A. Sunlight and raindrops. B. Moonlight and ice crystals. C. Sunlight and ice crystals. D. Moonlight and raindrops. Were you thinking about C. Sunlight and ice crystals? Absolutely correct. Just like us, they believe in working hard. It's not easy being a full circle. Persisting against all odds, rain and shine together, and creating something beautiful in the process. So, the next time you see that arc in the sky, remember all that a rainbow stands for. And remember, guys, don't just chase the rainbows, but also learn from them. Life is more fun when you add your own colors to it. Now go forth and make your own rainbow, literally. But remember, no arc comes without a little bit of rain. This is another whirlwind tour of the wonders of learning, brought to you by Goalie, the best kids tablet.
My mind is blown! Where can I learn more about these videos? Oh yeah, getgoalie.com. There's no ads, there's no junk, just cool stuff for kids and a dedicated tablet. Check it out, getgoalie.com.